Conga's giving him kisses. Say hi. You giving the kisses? Say hi. Come here, big boy. Come on, Harvard. Come here, cutie. You can come out. I'm videotaping it, Maddie. Come on, big boy. Come on, sweetheart. Come here. I want a kiss. I want kisses. Conga wants to play. See, Conga loves to play.
I want to play.
Yeah, I know. We got to get him to come out first. Come on, big boy. Come on. Come on.
And Mr. Quinks is standing by waiting to play. Betty's gone, of course.
Don't close. Matthew, don't close that. Harvard, aren't you hungry? Don't you want to eat and make a potty? Yeah, Conga wants to play with them. Yeah, come on, Harvard. It's okay. It's a playful bark. Hey, come on. Yeah. Hey, Conga, this is your new friend. Yes. Stand back, Conga. Let him come out. Come on, Harvard. Come on, Harvard. You can come out, big boy. Come on. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. Yeah, you see the baby? You see the baby? You give Harvard kisses?
Yes.
Yeah. Be gentle. Yeah, is that a little bark? Is that a little... Uh-oh. It's okay, Harvard. It's okay, big boy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
Conga. It's okay. Yeah, he wants to play with... He wants to play. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. Yeah, the Conga wants to play. They come play. They come play with us. Yeah, they come play with us. Yeah, the Conga. You always want to play with somebody. He may not want to play right away, the Conga. Oh, the Conga. Come on, Harvard. Come on, Harvard. Because you got to go make potty. Come on, big boy. Come on, big boy. The Conga. Move the Conga. Matthew, move. Let's let him come out on his own.